Hello everyone! In the media optimization phase, we're currently at the lock parent container of masked element step. In this step, the plugin shows a list of child elements on that mask applied. If you are using masking for creative images, you can lock the mask group or frame and import them as a single image. Let's check the mask group here. This mask group needs to be locked. Similarly, we can check and locate another frame by clicking on the name of the element from the list. If we forget to lock these mask groups, the design will become cluttered after conversion from UiChemy, since they will be considered as separate elements. When we click the Fix button, the mask group is locked, and the locked group is converted into an image with UiChemy. So we'll lock this mask group by clicking the Fix button. Let's lock all of the mask groups listed here. Okay, after completing all the optimization steps, our design is ready to import to WordPress. Let's check the result. Okay, our layout is not cluttered because we locked the mask groups. Let's check the backend. As we can see, all of the locked mask groups have been converted into images.